Hi. Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Singapore. See you in Singapore. I'm at the airport and then I gave my passport and the guard was just checking to see if that's me. So he was scanning my face. I was smiling non-stop. So he's like, "Madam, why are you smiling?" And I'm like, "Sorry sir, I'm just so excited."
Ladies and gentlemen, passengers on SQ10.
My bag is here. Oh, blue. Every time that I see that, I literally feel like sitting on that. Lol, my bag is slipping. Trisha is booking a cab for me. She couldn't come to pick me up. I'm going to find level 1 so that I'm able to catch the cab. But yeah, this is fun. In India, we have like so many festivals. But like some of the festivals go up to 9 days.
It's not including your school holiday, right?
We're at Trisha's place and it's fine if her mess was on the bed, but her clothes are literally on the floor.
That's my laundry.
Of the balcony, Trisha. I'll send this to your mom.
No.
See, I got the sticky thing only for us two. Okay, teach me how to make. There's nothing to learn, right?
I am pretty useless. You won't learn how to make
Bro, I'm not
You
that
want
bad at
cheese?
cooking.
Me too. Okay, but I need to put water in.
Okay.
You will only eat the dosa you make, by the way.
Okay, fine. You don't eat with me. You don't love me.
No.
You're a bad person.
I love you. I'm so happy you're here.
Okay, next one, Auntie.
Okay, yeah. Let me go.
We obviously went to the Museum of Ice Cream.
It's written your staff only. What are you doing? You intentionally entered. What do you?
No, we have to write our ice cream name. What are you naming yourself? As we entered, we had to write down our own ice cream names.
Try.
I'll tell you a little bit about this place. I think it has like 7 to 8 rooms. All of them are pink, obviously, and they're designed very differently. So
This idiot Pratika just realized that I have a really bad cold and
and
you're
Trisha
switching
has
ice
literally
cream.
been swapping ice creams with me for the last 10 minutes.
Do you like being treated horribly?
Ew. So it's like every alternate room would probably have a type of ice cream. So if one room has an ice cream sandwich, there are different flavors of ice cream sandwich in that room, and then the next room would have like ice creams and cones and softies or whatever. A lot of people advise me not to go here because they're like it's overhyped, but honestly it depends on your taste. I love places like this. There were games to play, there was jumping to do, there were really pretty lights, it was fully pink themed. There were different flavors of ice cream. There was like Thai tea ice cream, there was soya sauce ice cream, there was so much to do. Experience would 100% recommend it. Back at Trisha's house, she just left for her class, like she had to go to her uni, and she's put her clothes in the washing machine, so I'm just going to put them for drying and then I'll leave for swimming. I'm tidying up Trisha's bed right now, which is so funny because I called my mom and I was tidying up the bed and my mom was like, तू ये कभी घर पे नहीं करती और तू त्रिशा के लिए कर रही है, खुद के लिए भी कर ले कभी. And that's so funny because obviously अगर मैं आपके साथ इतना time spend कर रही हूँ and मैं आपके room में हूँ, तो the least that I can do for you is to help you out. Trying to shoot a sunscreen commercial. I left it like this on the pool so that it can float there and maybe I can record something aesthetic. And it went on that side of the pool. And outside it's written 1 meter. I didn't realize that they meant that it was for this side and not for that side. I just swam there to get the sunscreen and I almost fully drowned. And I'm not supposed to be getting my hair wet. Like I fully forgot that that side of the pool is deeper. Life without autos is so crazy. Like it's so hard to comprehend that you have to like book a cab. And it's not just right there.
Maybe it's better this way.
We hurt each other with the things we want to say.
We could have been so.
Yes. Oh my god, what a cute lip.
If I stop holding it, it'll stop.
Oh shit, that's crazy. Stop. Oh. That's crazy, bro. Do that again. Oh god.
Wow, my star.
Did you just spit out water where I sleep?
No, I spat it up in the.
You spat it out in the cup where I'll be drinking later on.
Oh god.
It's like a jungle.
No, I don't know where.
Oh my! Something moved up in the grass.
No,
like you
no.
saw now. I just came to know that Trisha is scared of saying Bloody Mary
Pratika,
like
no.
3 times
No,
out loud.
no, not here,
And we're
not
in the
here, not at
forest.
night, not at
And we're
night.
in the forest.
No, oh my god, and I don't know, accidentally we ended up coming here.
What Bloody Mary? Can I say it 2 more times?
No.
Bloody Mary.
No, she'll come now, she'll please.
Abhi, where she'll come
Bro,
from?
she'll come,
She
she'll
stays here.
She'll come now, I'm telling you.
Trisha, you lost your mind. I'm gonna show you guys some footage, okay? Trisha, do you
Oh my
want to
God.
say what happened?
Let me show it to them.
Yeah, I'll show.
And then I'll tell you. Now we're in the cable car and we're about to reach in a minute. This girl, she's like, okay, take like a crazy reel, move everywhere, 360, 180, everything. And okay, I'm like, wow. Now she's, what's up?
Where have you been
Where
all my
have you been?
life?
And
yeah.
okay, now I'm also vibing. And I'm also dancing, she's also dancing. And then this girl, I don't know what she's trying to do, falls on the ground with her head like on ground.
Yeah, it banged on the ground. Like,
It did, and your hair's all over your feet, and you're on your knees, and I'm just like, oh, kya ho raha hai? Are you alive? And then she wakes up and she smiles and she's like, okay, keep going, it's for the gram, it's for the gram. oh my god, bro. Yay! And we got front seats.
say that sentence like 10
Fully
times.
empty. I mean, there's one guy, but like, that doesn't matter. Sit there. Why do you want to sit next to him? Oh, wow.
Now we just came back from Haji and now we're going to eat
We're gonna have- No, Mala's a food type. It's like you're saying going to eat in burger.
Oh lord, so what are we going for?
We're going to Mala Tang Tang and we're going to have Mala.
Mala. Yeah. Wait, should I tell you? This one. Hey, you also wear one. Come here.
Why have you put mine so much?
Trisha is saying she's not hungry, she's happy. Hungry and happy. I've never been hungry and happy.
But we are hungry and happy.
It's like hungry and like excited. Bro, you know, you're so pretty. I feel so weird sitting beside you sometimes because you're so pretty. Like, I'm not even making this up.
What the hell? Have you seen your smile? You're so pretty. I
No,
don't know
but
what you're
I'm
all
being
about.
like dead ass. Okay, come up to me and try to riz me up like a frat boy. Come. I'm getting scared of you. I was telling Trisha what a beautiful car. And she says one day, so I thought she'll say one day we'll make enough money together. And she says one day I'll pata someone.
I'm going to Dubai, no?
We're playing a game. The first person, don't destroy my flowers. The first person to talk shit in the whole day about anybody loses. And they have to pay for the dinner. Okay? So Trisha's just not going to talk today. The game started 30 seconds ago, Trisha has lost. It literally started 30 seconds ago and Trisha already lost. Trisha, how do you feel? You're a bad person, you know that, right? Like, you are a bad person. Are you romantic? Oh my god. Oh my god. Need you to know that
that we just got off this ride. This white one. I've never done a ride where I've been upside down in my life. And the whole time, Trisha was opening her mouth and laughing and the... Oh God. And I thought it goes upside down once. Bro, it went upside down 4 times. See that? Show them. I hate people who put their arms up on roller coasters. I sat on that. I sat on it. Like, can you imagine me? Because Mama was literally trying to convince me to sit on it, and I said no. Mama, do you remember? And Trisha literally forced me. She's like,
Auntie, I did it.
she's like, I did so much for you. Come now, come. You have to come. So I had to go.
Thank you, Auntie. Can I talk to Auntie?
Proud of you for what? Proud of me?
For taking
I'm
you.
scared.
Yeah, Auntie. Next time you come, you can take her now.
No.
Now be like, oh, you went with Trisha. You won't go with me. Pratika. Pratika. Ayan. Pratika. That's it.
What is one thing from this trip that you feel is most similar about us and least, like most different between us?
As similar as we are in terms of like being athletic and physically active, blah blah blah. I feel like I'm still a very city girl and you're a very nature girl. Your patience and the fact that you're willing to also like explore the local, I mean something I appreciate about you. Like you also want to live and do what the locals do and not just see what they do, you know, like you want to travel also sometimes with public transport. You want to eat also at local places. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But there's one thing I want to take from you. That'd be nothing. Just suck. Woo! Oi! Give me. Oi.
Thanks, Trisha. Which one are we getting?